This is the Newton project by Gavin and Taven. So how does a Newton vehicle work? So it's the third law of motion, and for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So here is a spring car, and when the spring is pulled back, it goes forward. For every action there's a reaction. So let's get into our prototype. So here is the front and back of our prototype, the left and right, and the top and bottom. Now let's go into our data. So for our group 1, our first variable, our independent variable, is how big the wheel is. And this is only for the back wheels too. So here's the first table. We went for 30 inches. We got an average of 31 inches. Here we went for 60 inches and we got an average of 62.5 inches. We went for 90 inches and got an average of 91.5 inches. And here is a graph for that. The yellow line is what we were going for, and the green line shows how consistently we were hitting that. Now for group 2 with a small wheel on the back. So here's our first table. We went for 30 inches, and this was actually 6 inches over, so it was not within that window. Our second trial, we went for 60 inches, and we were 3.5 inches above. And finally, we went for 90 inches, and we were 8.5 inches off. Group 2 was way less consistent than Group 1. This is a graph for that showing how inconsistent it was. Here is our final project. We ended up using the big wheels as it was most consistent. Our spring car is powered, like I said before, by Newton's third law because how it winds and unwinds. So as we pull it back, then it goes forward. So what were some challenges and successes? Some challenges we faced was finishing within build time, and the spring was bending and deforming as we tested. And some successes we had is we hit 1 of 3 on the test day, and our testing average for group 1 was in the 3-inch range every time.